it's for the purchase engineer department. You can put your back here and I can introduce you to have a look.
Okay.
Okay.
如果你不用钢管针，你的针到自钉这个位置会卡住的。这个时候要特。
That's so funny. So it's like this one. It's a new dial, but they make it look like it's really old.
Old, like old dial.
Yeah.
Not the new watch, like the old watch.
So it's a new, yeah.
拍个照。
So it's a new watch, but it looks like it's an old.
But looks older.
Old, yeah. Yeah.
From
Maybe
Hong Kong.
JS
300 USD combined.
JS20
It's not very expensive.
No, will only cost. I think cost about $35 to $40 to make.
Really?
Because
The movement is not very expensive.
the movement is and he's selling this one for $4,000. $4,000. Yeah, sell $4,000.
1,000 USD.
So very expensive, but. So this is all the machines.
Machine. So first the blank case will be cutting with this machine. This for the first cutting. This is the visa. So this is for cutting for the back, for the case back.
So each one is doing something different.
Yes, that is turn wrong.
Okay, yeah, because it's four machines.
Yeah.
Oh, it's over there. Oh, you see the.
So you can see that from 4 knives.
Yeah.
So we cut different circles, different sizes circles.
They don't wear gloves. They all have oil on their hands.
Yeah, that didn't need. Because when they put the batter to the machine,
Yeah.
so they will use the finger to feeling
Yeah.
it's flat or not.
Yeah.
If they have the glove,
Can't feel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a little hard.
Wow. So, when you make like sample, do you use CNC?
So first we will use the cutting machine,
Yeah.
the oil cutting machine, and then CNC,
Yeah.
and then for the CNC here.
Right.
Yeah.
So, like when you make 4 samples,
Yeah.
so that's a lot of work just to make 4 watches.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So first we will use the wine cutting machine over there.
Yeah.
To make the blank case first.
Yeah.
And then for the first cutting and the CNC and the drilling the holes.
Yeah.
And then also the CNC machine. So they can first 3 holes for the 2
For the pushers.
pusher and the chrome. So this machine can finish in one task. And the will take okay, this the second
Yeah.
20 seconds. So normally it's around the 30. Okay. So 26 seconds. So for one thing. So the machine is all blank. So after.
That's fantastic. That is fantastic.
This one is same.
Yeah.
Similar.
But with 3.
这个是一样的吗？货品位都不在位，现在没货没过来。So this for just for testing.
Testing?
Yeah, because this machine is don't have any product
okay.
to produce.
Yeah.
So we just they just show you how to make. Yeah. Actually, these two is the same function.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's battery making the samples, and that's 8 is for mass production, and
Right,
this one
this
is
is for
for
sample. So you only want to make, okay.
Yeah. One cutting machine. So we can cut different. So right now we cut the square things. If we need have the joint for your case,
Yeah.
so we can use this machine to cut the blank case.
All right.
Yes.
So this will cut this.
Yes.
Wow.
This one is very thin.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm like, how is that going to cut all this? So that's how they cut the case.
Yeah.
So the case starts like this.
So they will cut to be similar like this. They will cut like this, and then we will use the cutting machine.
The machines to make it.
to cut everything. So this the blank case from our supplier.
Yeah, you can feel the roughness.
Yes.
Wow. And then this is a bit smoother than that one. Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's
it's the same. It's
Yeah.
the same. So you can see when you in the in our office, you can see we have a special.
yeah. To roll around. Yeah. She was telling me about it. Yeah.
This master is the polishing for the side.
Yeah. Also, he's just doing the side,
Yeah.
and then he will do a different.
So,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So like that. So this must be A. Right? This must be the A quality.
no.
Yeah, because he's doing so many times. I thought maybe A quality.
B.
Wow.
So in the factory,
So that's the assembly. This is the production, I guess you could say.
Yeah. So the QC will check the master do good job or not. 哪一些是好的，哪一些不好的？那个不好的可以拿个给客人看一下。
Am I always to pick one?
就算你们画了红线那些。
So what quality is this? This is B.
B.
Wow.
So with the red marketing, is bad.
Right. So that's the
You can see the bad things. So they will say it's not good.
and then
they
they
have the
need to-
polishing again. And for other sides, no white line is good.
This is much better, and this is B quality.
Yeah, B.
Quality. Wow. I'll let you put it back.
So this have to remain.
So that goes back.
So you see the red dots.
Wow,
so this
really?
It's bad.
Wow.
That means it's bad with the red mark is bad.
Bad, so they need to redo.
Yeah.
Can't even see the marks.
But our QC can see it.
Yeah. You see, I wouldn't even see that. I would like, what marks? Yeah, because like she's marking.
This is the lux. Check the lux.
Yeah, I'm just seeing she's marking. I could see.
Yes. When the mark is not good, you see.
Yeah. And there. So these are the ones they're doing. Those are the ones that have been done.
Policy is good, right?
Wow.
Better than your samples.
And this is B quality.
And this is B quality.
Yeah. So what's A quality like then?
Yeah, it would be great.
So after cutting, it will be like that. This part They polishing this part.
Yeah.
So it will be more shiny.
Ah, right.
So
So that's how they do
inside
it.
is by polishing, and this is the ceramic cutting.
Okay, so
So if you
that's how they do it. So that's how they get the polishing on the
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So quick.
Check all the joints, and then
And make sure it's all
yes.
according to technical drawings.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So they check against technical drawings.
Yes. So you can see after polishing, they be very dirty.
Yeah.
So we use the machine to clean it.
Wow.
And then send to the QC room.
Then they can check it. So noisy.
Yes.
And doesn't wear any earplugs. Right, we'll go over there because it might be a bit dangerous. Oh, so this is the pack to send to the other building
Yes.
from here, yeah.
So this is the quality checking, and then stick the protector
On the glass, yes.
on the glass, and then it's ready, and then sent to
Sent to the
assembly.
other assembly section.
Yes.
Oh. Well, that's the black PVD. I don't like PVD. Many people like PVD.
Vertical and round for the
So circle brushing on the better.
Yeah.
And
Vertical.
vertical on the side.
Yeah.
on the
So do the workers live here?
Yeah, it's the dormitory room here.
Right. So it's easy for them to
Yeah.
come and go. So do they? Is that part of the job? Is they get the apartment for free, or do they have a
It's including.
including their?
Yeah. Vài cô nó đi đâu? Công ty. Mọi người có thông tin gì không?
What is he checking? The size?
yeah, checking the whether it's clean a lot.
I hear they're making. And he does something different.
Yeah.
Oh, so he's in the
People
outer.
do the same.
Oh, wow. On the packaging, isn't it? The
Every people do the same because it will be faster. And clean is
wait, what? Oh, right. So he's been. Okay, I get it. I see.
the one you like.
You can stick it out.
Oh, so that's what holds it together.
Yes. So after heating, so it's a little hot in this part.
And then they put the. Okay.
And then finish. And then send to their line. And then make the boxes. This is our bigger machine. So that if we order, so for that order is a small quantity.
That's
So-
small?
Yeah, that's small quantity. So when the quantity is more than 3,000, we will use this machine. One finish.
So-
This one, this machine is say RMB is 1 million for this machine.
Wow.
RMB.
Wow.
I think as you see from the video, so they will put the paper from this part.
Yeah.
And go down here, and then the camera here to catch the paper, and then this machine hand will pick the boxes to here,
Yeah.
and then we can see from this screen where the box is.
Oh, so this is done by the machine.
Yeah, this is made by the machine.
See, that's a nice quality box. Oops. It's heavy. Wow.
It's plastic inside.
Yeah.
So we can join with the computer to such like this. So we will send to this machine for cutting,
Right.
like this.
Oh, you make from. All right.
It's the PU, not the real letter.
No. Yeah. I know. P. Let me just put that there.
Wrong. Cheap?
Cheap. I think cheap.
Yeah, I have to call it spy.
Yeah, but when this
I just joke.
this company, they order so many though.
Yes.
That's why, because the more you order, the lower the price.
Yes.
If somebody order only,
By itself. So some of the packing factory, they will use the knife to cut by
One by one.
hand.
Yeah.
But we use the machine. So it will be, yeah. So they will make that one, that box. You see that on the computer.
yeah.